The purpose of this brief videotape is to show how to use a video output plug on the GoPro Hero camera to provide an external video signal and audio signal at a great distance. The camera itself, and this is the new model that has the LCD back onto it, has two plugs. The first one for high definition video and the second one for normal composite video. We'll focus on the bottom plug. One of the plugs that comes with the GoPro unit is a 2.5 millimeter diameter 4-conductor plug that fits into the video output. And the plugs on the other end are the yellow is the video, the red and the white is audio. Now, since we're going to have to extend this wire, the output is as follows. So if we look at the GoPro, the tip on this is the audio red. The second from the tip is actually the audio white. The third section in on the plug then is video, and the base of the plug is referred to as ground. So what we do is actually we could cut this wire and expose those three conductors, or better yet, we can go to one of the local supply stores and just get a replacement cable that has two 2.5 millimeter 4-conductor plugs on either end. So we can use this as a basis, cut it, and we would splice in some 3 or 4 conductor wire. Now remember, basically all we need is 2 conductors, so we have the ground and the video. If we want to also transmit the audio, we would need 3 or 4 conductors, depending on if you want to have 1 or 2 channels connected with it. So it's simply a matter then of cutting the cable and then extending the cable length via some additional conductors. Now there's a couple other interesting things that I've done. One of which then is I've taken a small LCD monitor and a battery pack. Now I can use this monitor then to input a video source from the GoPro camera. Now even though this is a kind of a fragile unit, I've mounted it into an armband. So this is an LCD display. Now what this will do then is allow us to view the video remotely. And so the way that that would work is I would take my GoPro camera, I could turn the camera on, the video camera on, do that by pressing the button, and we'll see if the camera indeed does turn on. Now remember, on this you have to set the video output. There it is, the camera has turned on. You can see with the new generation that we actually have a video image on the back of the LCD. Now what I'll do is I'll take the plug from my remote unit and I'll put it in the bottom plug. So now I'm taking the output video from the camera and then putting it into my armband or wristband LCD display. This works good if you have the camera mounted on a helmet or remotely. So I've got a small switch on the side, so when I flip the switch up, the video should come on.